Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play 5 Nights at Freddy's for Roblox. Your main goal is to survive from 12 a.m. until 6 a.m. by fending off animatronics. You'll need to listen very carefully for breathing sounds at the 2 doors. Use your flashlight to check the closet and the bed behind you. React quickly by closing doors when you hear a threat, and always be aware of your surroundings to make it through the night. It's a game of quick reflexes and keen hearing. Dealing with the doors is crucial for survival. Always check both the left and right doors frequently, but remember to listen for distinct breathing sounds before you close them. If you hear breathing, quickly shut the door and hold it for a few seconds until the sound stops. It's important not to flash your light if you hear breathing at the door, as this will only agitate the animatronic. Patience and precise timing are key here. Beyond the doors, you must also manage threats from the closet and the bed. Regularly flash your light on the bed to deter the small frettles from gathering and forming a larger threat. For the closet, check it often. If you see Foxy peeking out, quickly close the door. Hold the closet door shut until you hear him retreat completely. Mastering these 2 areas is essential for keeping all the animatronics at bay throughout the night. To truly master the game, focus on advanced survival techniques. Unlike some other games, power management is not a factor here, so you can concentrate on other aspects. Pay close attention to subtle audio cues. They often signal animatronic movement before you see them. Practice developing quick reflexes for closing doors and checking areas. Learning the animatronic's unique patterns through repeated play will significantly increase your chances of surviving all 5 nights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.